I have got with me even the letter written by the executive engineer to the consultant that they must maintain minimum 6 meters. Thereafterwards, I wrote to the executive engineer, I wrote to the superintending engineer, I wrote to the chief engineer, I wrote to the principal chief engineer, I wrote to the PWD minister, and I wrote to the chief minister to see that they follow the guidelines. And I had a meeting a few days back with the chief minister along with the principal chief engineer. They were also shocked to note that the height is only 3.6 meters. I told them, neither the panchayat nor the people of my village will accept a breach of 3.6 meters height. Mr. Chief Minister requested the principal chief engineer to investigate, to carry out the necessary investigation and find out how the consulting engineers could bring down that level, because everything is supervised by the consulting engineers, who are paid nearly 40 crores, who was blacklisted in Gujarat. So they formed another company and they are the main consultants, and all the national highway is supervised by them. So I asked the chief minister. Chief minister really asked the principal chief engineer, and principal chief engineer said, I am also shocked and surprised that they have not maintained the height as per the PWD national highway guidelines. And the principal chief engineer requested the chief minister, give me 3 or 4 days, I will study the matter, I'll investigate, I'll come back. Accordingly, I waited till yesterday. And yesterday evening, Honorable Chief Minister phoned me in the night and informed me, instead of 3.6 meters, he will direct the PWD National Highway to maintain minimum 5 meters height. I told him, I'm thankful to you, I appreciate your intervention, but we expect minimum 5.5 meters. Please try. He has assured me that he will try to bring to 5.5 meters, but he said 5 meters, you can tell the press, because I told him I'm having a press conference tomorrow morning, that is today. 5 meters. At the same time, I have demanded there must be a thorough technical inquiry as to how the guidelines can be flouted by the consulting engineers. As to how this sort of a substandard work, when I'm saying substandard, this sort of a work is permitted by the supervisory authorities in PWD. It affects Margaon. I'm happy that the steels are being constructed, but I'm not happy with the height of the bridge on the Navali side and on the Kodaman bridge. So I take the opportunity today to thank the Chief Minister and the Principal Chief Engineer for the intervention, because I have also requested them to stop the work, because I don't want the exchequer to be into losses afterwards to break that bridge. So they should stop the work, give out the correct specifications, and the specifications should not be a secret only of the consultant. It should be brought to the domain. In fact, Panchayat has written me a letter. Please call the officers. The officers are running helter and skelter. They are also worried. They are also shocked and surprised. And I would like them to come for a meeting in panchayats, both the panchayats, we can have a joint meeting. See the specifications. After the inquiry and after the investigation, only the work should start.